What it do? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video, man. Y'all see what I got here? This Diablo Sport i3 iTuner. We're gonna get this installed. We're gonna change the gear setting. If you guys have not tuned into my last two videos, I installed the 392 Git Rag. So y'all go check those videos out if you have not already. And I basically got to do this to set up my new gear setting, or my car will not be able to shift at all. I forgot to make a video showing like it won't shift at all, but y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all through the whole process and everything. Y'all stay tuned. Big boy RT, yes sir. So I already did this low key, but I'm gonna just like redo it basically. So this is Diablo Sport i3. Basically got this right here. And then you got the cable that you're gonna plug in into where like they'll read the codes and all that stuff. Like if you took your car to AutoZone or any place that'll read the codes, I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all come on, let's get it. Yes sir. Alright, y'all don't get on me. Floor overly dirty right now. Gotta hit up BR Garage. But basically gonna take this piece right here and you're gonna stick it. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's like the fobs are right here. So simply click that in there. This should pop on. And let's get right into it. Alright. So like I said, I already tuned my car with this already, or I didn't even tune my car. Well, yeah, you gotta put a standard tune on here that I'm gonna show you to be able to even change your gear settings, because I guess it's just like a factory Diablo setting. So once this loads, we'll get right into that. So right here, blah 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 blah. Say yes. Click that. All right. So in this little thing, you'll be able to do a few little things. I really don't know everything, but so tune vehicle info. This is what you'll go to if you're trying to figure out if it's already been tuned by a car. So basically, this is my VIN number saved inside already, so it already has all my vehicle information and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. We will put the car in the run position. I'm gonna just try to go through everything to show you guys as best as I can. So basically, there it is. All my information for my car is linked to this Diablo iTuner i3. So I am Gucci to go. So you can basically use this scan tool, I believe, to see, like, use it as a I don't know the correct word. Someone help me out. What's the word for, like, basically to check all your codes, like when you go to AutoZone, your local auto shop, to like get your codes ran. I believe you'll be able to scan all the trouble codes as it shows. My bad. As it shows right here. So you could clear codes as well. Show trouble codes. Got none. Clear codes. We'll just say no. And you can also data log. I didn't know about this. I might try to do this a little bit, try to get like a 0 to 60 if I can, and I'll be able to show you guys that a little bit better. But this thing definitely does load for like a super long time, so definitely gotta have patience. So I'll be right back once this loads once again. Yeah. So basically, here's the settings for data logging. I hope this don't mess up nothing. So basically, I think this just shows you a bunch of stuff I really don't even know. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But no. But basically there it goes. That I thought you would be able to see like a 0 to 60. I think they do those on the Diablo Trinities. It's like the iPad looking one. So I don't think this one might actually have that. But I didn't get it for that, so it's all good. So here we go. Let me go to settings, show y'all. So I actually got this off the Facebook Market for a steal. Let's get into that. This thing goes for about I want to say, hold up, I'm actually gonna look it up real quick. My bad. But y'all probably like, this dude really looking up how much it costs in the video. But yeah, it's like $450 before shipping. So I got this thing for $300. You already know, on the Facebook Market, 24/7. You already know how it go. I'm not paying overpriced for nothing if I don't have to, you feel me? But yeah, this thing go for $450. So I got it for $300, so save the quick $150. Probably spent like $40 on gas, so $340. Still saving that bread, yo. But back to this. I scooped this up, and the guy told me, I thought that I got scammed actually at first, because I tried to keep hooking it up to the Wi-Fi configuration, and nothing was happening, because it's just like, it's too hard, and none of the Wi-Fi's were popping up. And then I hit him up a day later to be like, yo, what's going on, man? This thing not working, blah blah blah, yada yada. And he hit me back. He was all cool and everything, and he told me that you're actually not supposed to do it off the Wi-Fi, because it could mess up, and then your tuner would just be like locked or like frozen. So he told me just to set it up online to do the update. So I went online, downloaded the forms from Diablo Sport. 1 second. All right, I'm back. But okay, so you got to go on Diablo if you're buying it used, probably even if you're buying it brand new, because you got to update it. You go on Diablo Sport. I'll probably show a little clip once I go inside on my computer and everything, the app that you need. But you got to go on Diablo Sport's website, find the update link, download that to your computer. Then once that is completely downloaded, you can hook this Diablo actually up into your computer. I have a little USB that can slide right in. Where's the USB? Little USB hole is right there, so you can just click that in, hook it up to the computer. A lot of stuff, some stuff will pop up on your screen, explaining to what to do, the next step and everything. So you follow all of that, then bam, your thing is updated and you ready to rock and roll. Because I'm telling you, you're not gonna be able to do anything. You're gonna think the thing is broken if you buy it used and it hasn't been updated, because they're not gonna give you a tune. You're not gonna be able to download the tune at all without updating it. So definitely do that. Forgot to tell you guys that first, but definitely should do that if you are buying it brand new or buying it used. But let's get back into this. All right, so I'm going to tune vehicle. Like I said, I already tuned my vehicle. So I'm gonna just like walk through the settings of like already what's set up and everything. I haven't tuned it to the 93 setting yet, just because I don't even know why I haven't. I probably can, but it's just like, I don't know. Really just being lazy. But all right, my bad. So you go to tune vehicle. My bad, let me try to. Okay, so you click tune vehicle, then you click advanced tune. I'm trying to have this not blurry. My bad, you guys. Alright, that's probably the best way to do. So you click quick adjust. Quick adjust is gonna give you all the options. It gives you you guys can't see it, this thing is blurry. Alright, so almost messed up. Changed my whole gear setting on accident. Alright, so you go to transmission, axle ratio. See all these options for different gear settings. So you choose whichever one that you're doing to upgrade your axle ratio. You can also I didn't mess with any of this, but shift firmness, you could make it increase, and I could reset right here to basically redo everything. And the other options you have, tire size, I didn't mess with this one. Yeah. Alright, so that's, I don't even know what that's really about. Traction control. So I guess I could turn off my traction control completely. And but I'm not trying to do that. So that's basically what you gotta do for the quick adjust. That's basically what you had to do to change your axle ratio. You go to quick adjust and you do everything. But I'm gonna see what's going on with this tune select. I'm gonna try to see how you'll be able to tune your car. So basically, what I did when I got this is I installed the standard tune. I don't know why it's saying to install it again, but I had to install the standard tune to even be able to change my gear. Settings, because it wouldn't let me at all with just having the factory PCM. So you basically have to download your PCM, sync it to this handheld, and you'll be able to, after that, change everything you want to, shift points, gear setting, all of that. But let's get right. So I'm gonna go to the next setting right here, and that is tune vehicle. And easy tune. So I guess I could put the 93 octane or the 91 octane. That is what they offer on this platform, I guess. Advanced tune is basically what we just went to and everything. To change all. So basically in the advanced tune, you change everything you need to do, whatever you want. And then easy tune, you'll be able to actually tune your car with the 93 or the 91. And I also believe, I'm not exactly sure with the Diablo, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to like call Diablo and get another certain tune that you want and download it to your tuner somehow. But I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do it, no doubt, with our generation and everything now. But yeah, that's basically what I had to do. It takes about like, it's like 3 or 4 different steps when they're downloading the PCM to this. So it's probably gonna take about like 40 minutes. So make sure you're somewhere that you can stay for like about a decent minute and you won't have to move or turn your car on, because once you start the tune, you cannot turn your car out of the run position. So just keep that in mind. And it's honestly pretty simple. It shows you basically everything on the Diablo, what to do. So you guys should be pretty fine with doing everything. I just wanted to make a video showing everybody that had questions about like what else they needed to do for the 392 get rag swap. And this is one of the main things you need to do, or your car will not run at all. So yeah, definitely. And I'm probably gonna be adding the 93 tune maybe later this week. I don't know why I haven't done it yet. I really don't see the point, because I feel like it's not really gonna do a difference, honestly. So hopefully when I do it, it'll prove me wrong. And I'll probably do like a 0. I'm still gonna show you guys a 0 to 60 from when I installed the 392 get rag, but I'll possibly show like a 0 to 60 once I put the 93 tune on here. I don't think I'll go with the 91, just because I'm already running 93 gas in here already. So that's gonna happen soon. Not today, probably later in this week, maybe tomorrow. I'll probably record that as well, showing you guys the process. It's probably still pretty easy process, but if you guys got any questions, man, let me know. Drop a comment. I'm always willing to help. I was gonna say I'll drop a link to I could still probably drop a link to where you could find this. I was gonna buy it off myself, AmericanMuscle.com, but you can find it anywhere. Diablo Sport Trinity. I was gonna say Trinity. Diablo Sport i3. You can find it anywhere. They go for like $450, then plus shipping. But y'all drop a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Let me know how y'all like the channel. I always say that in every video. It really does help me, and let me know how you guys are rocking with me. Let me know what type of videos you guys like to see as well. I'm gonna be starting to get a little fully with my 392 get rack, so it's definitely gonna be more content, different content on the channel for sure. So I'm happy. Can't wait for summer to progress. I'm still just stacking as much cash as I can to throw into here, because I got some plans before summer is over, you feel me? I'm not gonna drop that T or nothing like that, man. Y'all just stay tuned with the channel. Just know this is not the end of the build. This is just the beginning. This thing is not even done yet. I'm trying to get a wrap on here, possibly more engine mods, whole bunch of different stuff. Might touch the interior as well. So man, y'all just stay tuned with the kid. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. Share it with a friend. Tell your friend. Anything like that. All that helps the channel. But Big Boy RT out. I'll catch y'all in the next video.
I got a check, I blew advances on some kicks. Ain't it funny once you get a sec, they out here tryna blitz. It's a rock star lifestyle, Menage's at the Ritz. Yeah, I'm on the guest list, check that bitch twice for sure. I be getting them for free, but I be paying for your hoe. She don't want a broke mother, she want someone with the roll. Show the gun on FaceTime while I'm threatening your bro. Condo with a view, you tell we took a pop.